All right, this is it. The new book from Robin Walker, the legend that is Robin Walker. Book comes out now. ISBN number down there. It covers a whole bunch of ancient African history to modern Black history in Britain. Let's go to Africa first of all. This page here, you see it starts lands of the pharaohs. Then it jumps to ancient Egypt. And then it gets into Kush, Egypt's thriving decline, North African invasions, a bit on Ethiopia, West African desert empires. Look at these pictures, man. Nigeria, Monomapata. Then it takes you all the way right up to, oh, where's it gone? The UK. Boom, get it now.